Alright, so we're on example 2 of the notes now, which says identify each of the following for the function y equals x squared plus 5x minus 24. So we're going to go back to our y equals menu, erase our first line, and type in the new line. So x squared plus 5x minus 24. Still, leave your second line as y equals 0 so we can find their intersection. So hit graph. Let's look at our graph. It hits in two spots. So to find the intersection, second trace, go down to intersect. This time we cannot see our dot, so we need to scroll over. This over here, I know this one's negative 10. It's close to negative 10, so I'm going to move it to the left until my x value is close to negative 10. So we've got to move it a lot. Keep going, keep going. I still don't see the dot yet. Keep going. There it is. Boom. Get it close. 1, 2, 3. So it goes at negative 8, 0. For the right side, second trace, intersect, and now we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to move it to the right. So keep going until you start to see your dot. No, oh, there it is. Get it really close to that intersection, and then 1, 2, 3. So the intersection there is at 3, 0. Our solution then, it's same as intersects, right? So x equals negative 8 and x equals 3. Now our factors, x lies, so you just do the opposite. Instead of minus 8, it's going to be x plus 8. Instead of positive 3, it's going to be x minus 3. For your vertex, now on this one, we can't see it if it's a max or a min, so we're going to have to zoom out. So go to your menu here, click that third one that says zoom, and then I want you to go down to number 3 and zoom out. Push enter, and it will zoom out based on the center of where you put your dot. So let's put our dot right there at 0, 0, or really close to it. And let's zoom out once. Push enter. Now I can see my vertex is down here at the bottom. So I can go second trace. It is a minimum. Number 3. Move it left bound. So we move it to the left of our vertex. We're definitely on the left side now. Push enter. Right bound. Move it to the right side. Push enter. When it says guess, push enter. And we get a minimum of negative 2.49999999, which will estimate to negative 2.5, comma, and then our y value was negative 30.25. Axis of symmetry, that one's easy. X equals, and it goes with your x value in your vertex, negative 2.5. Now, for the x and y, let's look back at our table. So go to second graph, go to your table. It wants the x value where y is, the y value where x is negative 8. So go up to negative 8, and I got 0. And then at negative 2, I got negative 30. Well, these points are going to be really hard to graph. So let's just get a few points that will actually fit. So negative 8, 0 will fit, and negative 7, negative 10 will fit. So negative 8, 0, negative 7, negative 10. And then you see we're going to end up being off the graph. So I'm just going to kind of sketch it off the graph there and call that good. That's it from your notes. And let's check on your assignment. This is going to be your assignment. It's very similar to the homework you did yesterday, but you're going to have more decimals with your factors, with your vertex, with your axis symmetry. There's going to be a lot of decimals on this. So just make sure to work out each step on your calculator first. On the bottom, 3, 4, and 5, you can solve each equation by finding the intercepts. So use your calculator, find the intercepts, round to the nearest tenth when you need to. And then on the back side, I want you to work 6 and 7. Solve this one by factoring. Use the x method. Solve this one using the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And then questions 8, 9, and 10, those are bonus, but those are all doable. Parallel lines, simplify the expression, and a word problem about cost. All right. I hope these notes were helpful. Good luck on your assignment today.